Hello everyone. Hi, I'm Captain Deval Soni once again, your pilot career coach and mentor by heart. After training so many thousands of aspiring cadet pilots, our students have started flying with a lot of airlines, and they've got placed into Air India, Indigo, and various other cadet programs in the Middle East also, like Qatar and Air Arabia as well. So we started this series after training so many aspiring pilots, and the group activity today is the topic is a spaceship which has got trapped in Mars due to solar storm. They are given some 8 to 9 items and they have to prioritize those items. Group activity starts now.
A very good afternoon, everyone. So we are here to discuss about our topic on the solar storm on Mars. So basically, our situation is that our spaceship has crashed on the Mars due to a storm, and we have got 8 items with us. So we have to prioritize as per our needs. So in my opinion, the first thing that needs to be prioritized is the medical bill, because as we know, recently we have got a crash. So definitely some of our members must have suffered injuries. So it's of very vital importance that we should treat them first.
I completely agree with you, but the first thing I think should be the extra oxygen tank. As we are in Mars, that should be the first thing to survey.
I totally agree with you, but it is extra oxygen tank as of now. That means we are assuming that we are having our oxygen at this moment. So first thing I would prioritize would be the medical kit. First, let us look after our team members. Anyone is hurt. Let's give the first priority to the medical kit. Second priority, as my friend said, I would suggest that yes, extra oxygen tank would be a safer choice, because we are not sure how long we are going to be at there, and extra oxygen tank we are going to sustain for now.
I totally agree with my friend, and that it is the supplementary oxygen, not the main oxygen. Already we have main oxygen, and supplementary oxygen needs to be used only in case we are whole short of our current oxygen. So definitely we can place it on the second number.
So as my friend he introduced us to this situation, there are two scenarios what you can keep in mind. One thing, we are not sure whether we are going to make out from this situation by navigating ourselves. So first thing, we have to sustain for a longer time. So according to that situation, we'll have to take care of our basic needs, that is food and water. We are unsure of how long we are going to be entrapped in the situation. So our priority I would give is water.
So food priority can be given to food priority would be. I think my friend is absolutely right. So if anybody doesn't have any objection, so we are very clear about the first 4 sheets.
Yes. So now that we have seen to that we are going to cope up with the situation. So we are sustaining with our medical kits, our oxygen tank, water and food. Now let us look in prioritizing the matter from which we can come out of the situation. So fifth priority I would give is to the solar charging equipment, because we are not sure that what is there in our system, whether it is completely charged or not. So once we charge it, we can ensure that we rescue ourselves from this situation.
I do agree with you, because they're standing in a Turkey area planet to us, then solar charging equipment go there.
I agree with you, and you have a good opinion on this, but I have one doubt. For what purpose we need the solar charging equipment?
Since we are in a crash or situation, we are unsure that what led to that particular crash. Was it because of the battery failures, or was it any system failure? In order to check those system failures, we need power source. So in order to check those power sources, we need the solar charging equipment to ensure that all our systems are running, and to make out where our exact system for it has occurred. First thing, because in order to understand, we need to come up with the plan that what led the situation to happen. Let's start to that situation and let us navigate out from the situation.
Yeah, so PRIP could be solar charging equipment, and the 6 could be navigation equipment. So it was led to the 6th scanner toolkit, so that we can just check the spaceship from which part maybe as we are crashed. So maybe the toolkit can help us.
I agree with my friend, because navigational kit will be of no use as of now, because until and unless we are our system or our shuttle is ready, we cannot navigate through the situation. So yes, toolkit would be the main priority compared to the other. non-nutritional equipment.
I agree with you. Next, I would like to add a research kit, as we need it to research what we had the problems in the spaceship and everything.
Yes, I also partially agree that the research field is necessary just to analyze the situation which has led to the crash, and apart from that, it can also help us to recover from the crash we suffered.
But I think research kit should be up and allocation.
Okay, you can be right, but one thing is we should not forget that navigation equipment will be used only if our current spaceship is working. If it's not working, then I think we can't. It is of no use for us.
Since we are confused between the navigational equipment and the research skill, I would like some of my teammates' opinion on this, like what buttons.
I think research kit could be more helpful because we don't know if navigation equipping the Bob was a move as we don't have any.
Yes, I agree with my friend because research kits are very expensive and our country relies on us for that particular research for what we have come. So I would not leave my research so easily. So I would pick the research kit first before the navigation kit. So seventh priority, let us give it to the research.
And eighth priority will be the navigation kit. Once we recover, we analyze the crash situation, and if our spaceship is ready to move forward, then definitely navigation equipment will be of use after that. So yeah, we can place it in the
So now that we have discussed with this situation, I would like my friend to prioritize just to summarize all the priority what we have done.
Then first we have medical kit, and second we have oxygen.
How much time is left? 10 minutes over? Okay, no, it is for 10 minutes only. For this thing, it is only 10 minutes. Yeah, so 5 minutes are left. Okay.
On first we have medical kit, on second we have extra oxygen tanks, on third we have water, on fifth, the fourth we have food, on fifth air solar starting equipments, on sixth we have drone kit, on seventh we have research kit, and on eighth we have navigation equipment.
I hope all our teammates agree with this.
And if anybody still differ any opinion, then we are open to more discussions. If anybody still have any opinion on that.
So now that everyone is sure that this is going to be our priority list, so now let us conclude it. Thank you.
Great. So you've been able to prioritize all those items in 5 minutes? Okay, fine. I like the idea, or I liked it that both of you asked in the last leg, we still have a time. If somebody differ or somebody still have a disagreement, please bring the notice to us. That was good. This is what you can do. Nothing else. Okay. So how was it? Good. But for some people, how was it?
I was not able to speak it.
Good. Yes, Rakshita. What happened?
It was there also.
Good. That's okay. Aman, I think you just concluded, right? Nothing else? Yeah. Fine. Vanshika, you spoke how many times?
2 times.
2 times, yeah. So in this group activity, Vanshika 2 times is less. I was expecting more. And I'm telling this in this group activities and personal mock interviews also. Please अपने पैरों पे कुल्हाड़ी मत मारो. Okay, that's the only thing which you have to do. मैंने कुल्हाड़ी मारी हुई है अपने पैरों पर, इसलिए मुझे पता है. मुझसे ज़्यादा गलतियाँ आप लोग ने नहीं करी होगी और करोगे भी नहीं. तो आई एम अ किंग ऑफ मिस्टेक्स. Okay? So you won't ever imagine how many mistakes I've done. Okay? So, but I don't want you to do the same mistakes. You have a good communication skills. My problem is with those only. My problem is not कि जिनको बोलने में प्रॉब्लम है उनका मुझे समझ में आता है. But those who are effective speakers, when they don't speak, that is something which, pinches me. Okay, like you. You can speak well. I mean, you speak well. You have an effective communication. Please give enough contribution. Okay? If you speak well, but you don't know what to speak, that can be one problem. Just take their points and speak. Redeliver your own points or whatever. But please speak. Sometime if I'm not telling you to go just speak anything. But if you not speaking anything, you can go sometime, you can go, let it flow. Don't think like my points has to be too logical, which should be with so much of facts, research and all those things, knowledge, blah, blah, blah. No. Just deliver. Deliver is still better than not delivering it. Okay? So next time onwards, I'm expecting more contribution from you. Nashim, I expect the same from you. Okay? Thoda sa aur. Okay? Rest 3 of you need more confidence building. Okay? So work has to be done. A lot of work has to be done. Okay? Don't worry. मैं हूँ. ठीक है ना? Don't worry. It will take some time, but gradually, with more practice, it will come. I saw that you took an initiative, that you आप अपने chair से खड़े होके you came for this. I really like this. You could have avoided this, but you did not avoid it. You came intentionally to learn, and that is the best thing. If you're open to learning, trust me, with some few more sessions, I will make you good enough to go for this. Okay? Do you know have you seen the podcast of Captain Apurva Rawat? If you have not seen, go and see on our channel. That the heading is struggles, and you know who she was. She was a ground staff in Indigo. She became pilot, and you know what her relative used to tell her? कि पायलट तो क्या बनेगी, ट्रेन के टिकट काटेगी. कैन यू इमेजिन कि उस लड़की पे क्या कुछ गुजरा होगा, क्या कुछ उसने सहा होगा उस लड़की ने. पैसे नहीं थे उसके पास. She took the baby step. I mean, it is an emotional story. If you have someone, जो आपको बोलता है, खासकर लड़कियों को ऐसा बोलता है, among your circle, it is a time to show it to them. उनको दिखाना है इस बार. कई लोग बोलते हैं ना कि लड़कियां गाड़ी तो ढंग से चला नहीं सकती, जहाज क्या उड़ाएंगी. Every day you have to talk to yourself, yes, I am an awesome pilot. I have to overcome this. I have to do this. Yes, flying is beyond this. It's not just getting into an airline. Being a girl, you have to fight a lot of things. Every landing, every takeoff, you are just showing it to the world what you're capable of. Right? ज़्यादा तो नहीं हो गया? ठीक है, good luck, especially all those girls. मुझे वो बात एकदम से click कर गई. So I just wanted to tell this. Okay? Thank you so much. And I hope, especially all those aspiring girls, I want to tell you, like, this is the time to show it to all of them. This is the time that you should show what you're capable of to this entire community who thinks like girls cannot do this. Girls can also do this. India has the highest number of, the percentage-wise women pilots in the entire world. Go and do it now. Thank you. See you in the next video.